It's Thursday, November 16th. 1 week until Turkey Day. I hope we're all going to be ready, right? Get time to spend with family. Hopefully have a wonderful time, no drama, just lots of laughter and delicious food. That'll be my prayer for everybody. It's a good idea, I think. Holidays are wonderful and difficult, or can be difficult, so let's hope they're smooth sailing for all of us. It'll be great. Lots of blessings. All right, my friend Ingrid Bernhardt, who has In Geometry, I think is the name of her artistic business. She is the bead artist that I had often, many of her pieces here for sale. She's just sent me a package of 20 different handmade felt beaded and sequined pins. And they are all leaves and they are gorgeous. There is one that is an ornament, so I'll show you that one first. This one is the most expensive one. It's $35, but she beaded the front and the back. So it's a pin and or an ornament. Gorgeous maple leaf, beautiful. Then we have this beautiful little beaded pin. Love that, gorgeous, $22. This is also $22. This one is in burgundies and reds, gorgeous fall colors. Little tiny mini maple leaf with beads. Love it. This one is 18. This one is 24. Oak leaf. Look at her stitching and the bead and her color choices. Just beautiful. Here's another little maple leaf. I think it's 18 as well. Yes. This beautiful magenta, $24. Look at those beads. Gorgeous. Check this out. This is a gorgeous sequined. This one's 28. Beautiful. They have a pin and a punch pin on the back. That is beautiful. I mean, wouldn't that be gorgeous on a coat or a jacket or a dress? This one is also, this is a maple leaf sequined, 28. Gorge. And then the other second tray is this gold maple leaf. Beautiful. This is an oak. Gorgeous, 24. Yellow, I love this one, almost like an aspen, but it's the color of an aspen. This one's 22. This little small green one, 18. Just a few beads, just a little touch on a lapel or a dress. This one I love, again, the pink, the green, beautiful color choices, beautiful color choices. Did I show you this one? 24. Gorgeous. Another maple, beautiful. Another sequined, 28. So pretty. And last but not, oh no, did I show you this one? No. So I have two sequined ones. Just beautiful. I mean, honestly, look at that on black. What? Gorge. And the price is right. So that is from Ingrid Bernhardt, her beaded fall leaves. They are gorgeous. All right, lots happening. I think tomorrow the email will go out about the Christmas on Connecticut, the bag, $100 bag, and all the Bella Bucks that goes with it that I told you about last night. Super excited about that. We'll have the model for the kit that was going to be in the bag is now going to be sold completely separately. And it is, I saw the yarn today. It's been hand dyed. It's beautiful. It's all natural. It's done locally. Very excited about that. So we'll have those for sale. 20 of those, only 20 bags. That's it. When the bags are gone, they're gone. So anyway, and let's see. So that's Monday. So that's this weekend's going out. Then Monday is my birthday. So 71, remember, you get purchase one item and you get the second item for 71% off, excluding needle sets, okay, excluding needle sets. Then we have Thanksgiving, Wednesday before Thanksgiving. We will be closing at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so those of us who have company and need to start cooking can do so. Thursday we will be closed. Friday is Black Friday. And for Black Friday, we are going to have, in honor of my birth year, 1952, it will be buy one item and get one item for 52% off, excluding needle sets. Okay? Then Small Business Saturday, it will be my gift back to you. I'll include some free pattern or a magazine or something in your purchase. So thank you for all of your patronage. Sunday, Sofa Sunday, that'll be, you can buy online maybe. Monday, Cyber Monday, will be free shipping. If you choose to have something sent, you can buy it online, or you can buy it, call us, or come in the store and we'll ship it for free. Tuesday is Thanksgiving, Giving Tuesday. And I think we will give a percentage of our sales on Tuesday to Friend, which is the women and children that are getting away from violent situations, abusive situations. It's an organization we have supported for many years at Christmas and bought gifts, and we will be getting those lists, and we will be purchasing gifts for those moms and their kids as soon as I get that organized. So it's a lot going on, you guys. It's a lot. All right. I think that's it. I'll see you tomorrow.